NEP Reach is a budget holder dashboard piece of software which is like an add-on to Oracle. So our budget holders, our finance staff, can log into the system. They can see their budget position on an hourly basis. It's up to date frequently. You can drill into the transactions. You can see the invoices that make up the values. So it's just a lot quicker than what we've got currently and a lot better.
We implemented Reach at York 4 months ago, and we've had some real success with it. And with the feedback from the budget holders has been very impressive. So Reach was, it requires some team skill and team effort to deliver the rollout. The virtue of Reach is that it's a pre-canned, pre-packaged solution. So the only challenge to deploying Reach is training our 500 plus budget holders. And we did that through having a rollout coordination team made up of 7 or 8 trainers, and it was their responsibility to go out and train their respective budget holders.
It was quite easy to roll out. I got the backing from the senior members of finance, so I trained the finance staff. They was using it very frequently before we did the rollout to the budget holders. So then they were involved in the training to the budget holders at a later date until we could just switch the PDF reports off and just use the system.
About 2-3 months in, you can see the massive advantage of people actually using it. And the budget managers have taken now to say we're up to about 80%, 85% of budget managers using the system. It's massive help finance, and say budget managers are now engaging and understanding more how their budget and how the budget works.
The budget holders have been really positive about it. The very fact that they can see information and data that they could never see before is really powerful.
We still have the same amount of meetings and the same amount of time, but those meetings, instead of sat there waiting for reports to run, you're actually talking about your budget, you're talking about your forecast, you're talking about where you're going to be next without trying to wait in there 5 minutes for a report to run.
Future benefits, we can build our own reports within there, so we can build specific reports which are niche to each area. We can tweak it to whatever the needs are of the individual.
The benefits we've seen so far is certainly increased budget holder engagement. Through that training process, we've really encouraged the budget holders not just to understand about Reach, but also to reinforce the requirements of being a budget holder. So understanding their budgets, understanding their actuals. And that's probably for us the key benefits about increasing accountability and being really clear about whether our budget holders are actually seeing the data and using the data through Reach, because we can audit it. That for us is really the fundamental benefit. But there's many more benefits that we're seeing, and the feedback's been really positive. We have no regrets about implementing Reach.